This is my second journal for EDAD world. As I've heard about LCAP and LCMS, first I use the LCAP money to get resources for EL member students. And as an admin designee at a site, I've read and reread the LCAP, like 10 times. And usually my job was to make sure the charter school had all the parts of LCAP done so we could get the money. I set up meetings for English and math to improve scores. Kind of like PLCs, but very specific to match the LCAP goals, and that was to make sure we could get the LCAP money. Asking if the district has ever invited people to the meetings. Yes, teachers definitely, because that's a big part of the school is your teachers, and community members can attend this meeting as well as parents, but only a few show up, in all honesty, because everybody's working. That's why I believe in the power of technology. You can set up a meeting, record it with the link, put it in an email or weekly newsletter. During an LCAP that I went to, they needed admin to go to training, and I said I would go. They sent me to training for the unisex bathroom when that law came out. We had to comply with the law. That was important. We had a very large percent of LGBT at the charter school, and families were asking questions, so we needed to make sure to go. The conference went over the laws. I then gave the notes at the next LCAP meeting. LCAP does provide money and resources to help follow laws and to make sure things are followed according to the LCAP in accordance. For strategies for the school or district to increase participation of underrepresented parents and community stakeholders, there's quite a few suggestions, I think, for LCAP input meetings. One, I found that LCAP helps with two-way communication, especially if it's multilingual, like where I teach Spanish is helpful. I also set up a meeting with food and childcare for a good turnout, and then review all the parts of the LCAP with questions and answers, one section at a time with documents and translators. I also use Google Survey to see a pre- and post-meeting, so the results of the LCAP distribution of information is provided. I don't think many families know about it, to be honest, but it helps to see the data of who knows it and still who we need to reach out to. And LCAP gives funds to schools to improve their campus.